Okay, yeah, so we back again with my girl Ashley. Today we are doing a kitchen renovation. I don't even know whose house we're at. Kitchens, I don't remember how this house is made. It's so nice. Like, I would probably live in real life. There aren't many Sims homes that I would live in real life. Let them talk a little bit, and then I'm gonna start asking questions about this renovation. Discuss design, ask about the favorite design. Oh, he is so sweet. He's blowing kisses at his wife. Ask to see inspirations, discuss designs. Okay, likes gardening. That's not enough. I need color scheme. Okay, maybe we're getting there. Let me let it roll. Okay, y'all, so Ashley has taken time to speak with them about their design, and she just sent them away because, y'all, we've been talking for a long time. All I got out of them was fitness, gardening, and mission decor. I don't even know what that is. Okay, so this is our kitchen, and honestly, it is a bit boring. We have a $2,000 budget. That's perfectly fine. We're only getting $825 from this, but I've not done the kitchen yet, so actually, I want to take them from here. So the first thing I want to take out is this bar because, and that ups our budget. They have an entire like bar here, and I don't like that the sink is there. That is kind of weird. I think I'm going to start with wallpaper just to play with that a little bit. Let's go into some ooh, pretty. Do we have something that's pretty? Okay. Because she said something with gardening. Okay. Let me step back and look at that. That might be crazy in this house. Like this. I don't know, because this house is so neutral tone. Well, let's change the color of the cabinet. This green is really cute. No, I don't like the yellow, so I'm tempted to. Ooh, wait, maybe. Honestly, I think I want to do the green. No, that's not cute. What if I do the blue just to contrast a little bit? And I think I want to mimic this and put it here. I forgot that the stove was supposed to go right there, so I put a stove back there. I changed this little thing here, and I changed the wallpaper. The color scheme just wasn't working for me with that wallpaper. The fridge, we have to put the fridge in here. Honestly, I kind of wish the kitchen was turned this way, but I just don't think that's going to look right because of the way the house is shaped. I hate that it's so tall. Okay, so I think I'm gonna move the fridge where the dishwasher is. Oh gosh. Okay, what else do we need in the kitchen? Appliances, because unfortunately I have to sell all of theirs. Let's see if we can make, well, honestly, maybe I'll leave that white. I don't know. Maybe I'll change the brown. I think the brown was like the best color that kind of went with the rest of the house though. Yeah. I kind of want to scoot it over, like it just looks off centered or something. Yeah, I like that better. We'll put those flowers there because like I said, we gotta have a pop color. Here's some type of way. So what I think is going to pull this together really nicely is going to be the decor, like the cluttered items, the plants, weed, and this would look like if I had put one of these in here. No one don't match the colors. Too dark. Am I just making this harder on myself? Probably. Like if I had put this here instead. Let's just see. Move that out, move this in. I'll have to take this other counter out. Honestly, let's do that. And then I can add the pop of color in there. Obviously, I'm thinking, but let's see what else. And we, oh, yo, we went over the budget so bad. Oh no. Okay, so since I went so far over the budget, I put in one of these, like just a stovetop thing and another counter. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I forgot about the budget. Okay, let's see. And I sold their little lamp that was right here. And I put those two things back. I'm wondering if maybe I even want to take out like part of this island and maybe even push it forward some. Let's see, is that horrible? I don't think that's horrible. Okay, let's see what I can get in lights for cheap. Oh girl, we on a freaking budget. We shall fuss at the next person now that we know kind of like the budget we need. These $40. Well, I guess. Like I wanted to put like 2 underneath the countertops because I just thought that was gonna be neat. That's so cute. Should I lower it? I don't know. That's really cute. Okay. What other colors they had though? They had like these cute browns. Let's put them both up and just see what we get. Like this one or this one. Oh, dang, I didn't know it was that big. But, okay. Well, how much is that? Oh, Jesus, $425. And this is only like $60. Oh no, that was $320. Okay, it's $100 more. So that's not what I'm looking for though. The one that I'm looking for doesn't have anything in it. This is so cool. I love that they added these. I love these. Okay, so this is the thing that I was looking for the gardening, and then I got them some vegetable starter seeds, and then here is the hanging plant that I'm thinking it's gonna be so cute in here. And honestly, I'm wondering if maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. I'll just sit in there. That's cute, right? Love that. What is this? Strange. Oh. What's so bright? Do you have another color? No. Oh. That would have been so good to go there. For $225. I don't know, man. Put that over there. We're gonna hold it for now. Decoration, a rug. She did have a rug in here. Let me get her the kitchen rug. Yeah, we ain't got much budget left. Oh, this is cute. I love that they added like these neon signs or whatever. Like, I am getting so freaking distracted. That is not why we're here. Okay, so I'm still looking for this menu board. Oh no, this is it. Thanks, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what it looks like because that was a lot of freaking work. So this is the chalkboard menu. So we're looking at chalkboard menu or cute little tea things, which I'll probably have to put several of these because they're so tiny, but also they're $225. I don't want to do that. Or like these flowers. I just don't think the board is going to work, honestly. And then maybe I'll do another one of these, but in its original size. Is that crazy? That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Okay. So maybe I can put like multiple wheatgrass. Like run those up the wall. Like that's our other option. Just do that. Okay, y'all. So we are calling the client back to the lot. Let's see if they like it. Oh, I didn't know they had another baby. I think they love it. This was a lot to take in. I'm ready to talk about the changes. Yes, ask for final verdict. Oh, y'all gotta hurry up. My girl gotta go to the bathroom. Roll back. Ashley has completed the gig and has received the following results. Earned $825. Professional reputation improved. Stay on the ladder, go home. We'll go home. Okay, y'all, so that was our kitchen renovation. That was our first kitchen done by Miss Ashley Marie. Definitely let me know what you think, or if there's anything that you would have done differently. Please let me know in the comments. Thank y'all.